Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about non-geographical factors responsible for the location of industries. Industry refers to an economic activity that is concerned with the production of goods and services. Many important geographical factors involved in the location of industries and their relative significances. But besides such purely geographical factors influencing industrial locations that are factors of historical, human, political, and economic nature, which are now tending to suppose the force of geographical advances. Consequently, the factors influencing location of industries can be divided into two broad categories: geographical and non-geographical factors. Today, we are going to learn about non-geographical factors. Non-geographical factors for industries. The non-geographical factors that influence the location of industries are an adequate investment, sound government policies, industrial momentum of place, so that same types of industries coverage particular region, efficient organizational setup, and helpful banking and insurance facilities. The geographical factors that influence location of industries are availability of raw materials, power, labor, transport, water, proximity to market, and moderate climates. The non-geographical factors influence the location of industries or an adequate investment, sound government policies, industrial momentum of a place, so that same types of industries coverage in a particular region, efficient organizational setup, and helpful banking and insurance facilities. Capital for industries. The term capital intensive refers to business processes or industries that require large amount of investment to produce goods or service and thus have high percentage of fixed assets such as property, plant, and equipment. Capital goods refers to products that are used in the production of other products but are not incorporated into new product. These include machine tools, industrial machinery process, plant equipment, construction and mining equipment, electrical equipment, textile machinery, printing and packaging machineries, etc. Capital intensive refers to the industries or companies that require large upfront capital investment in machinery, plant and equipment in order to produce goods and services in high volumes and maintain higher level of profit margins and return on investment. Capital intensive companies have high proportion or fixed assets as compared to the total assets. Government policies. Government policies are another important factor that influences industrial locations. The government sets certain restrictions in the allocations of land for industries in order to reduce region disparities, to control excessive pollution and avoid excessive clustering of industries in big cities. So the policies also affect the industrial locations. Government policies are another important factor that influences industrial locations. The government sets certain restrictions in the allocations of land for industries in order to reduce regional disparities, to control excessive pollution, and avoid the excessive clustering of industries in big cities. So the policies also affect industrial locations. Efficient organization. Organizational efficiency is the organization ability to implement its plans using the smallest possible expenditure of resources. It is an important factor in the firm's organizational effectiveness, this being in the degree of success with which don't be afraid of delegates, match tasks to skills, communicate effectively, keep goals clear and focused, incentivize employees, cut off the excess, train and develop employees, embrace the telecommuting. The organization is able to accomplish its aims. Industrial organization applies the economy theory of price to industries. Industrial organization is also sometimes referred to as industrial economy. Availability of research facilities. The vital role of science in modern life is now generally recognized. Apart from the vast changes it has brought about, the development of scientific temper in the people is considered important. In the planned economy of a country, sciences must necessarily play a specially important role. Important in techniques evolved as a result of scientific research bring about great increase in production in the different sectors of the economy. National resources are augmented by the substitution of cheap and abundant materials for those scarce supply and by finding uses of materials. A balanced program of research covering every sector of the economy is essential, therefore, for the development of a country. We have made our recommendations for the research in agriculture, forestry, mineral development, etc. in the respective chapters which deal with these subjects. Banking facilities. The modern banking industry is a network of financial institutions licensed by the state to supply banking services. The principal services offered to relate to storing, transferring, extending credit against, or managing the risk associated with holding various forms of wealth. The precise bundle of financial services offered at any given time has varied considerably across institutions, across time, across jurisdiction, evolving in step with changing the regulations of the industries, the development of economy, and advances in information and communications technologies. The banking sector is an industry and a section of the economy devoted to the holding of financial assets for others and investing those financial assets of leveraged way to create more wealth. Thank you, students.